The Benni platform is the simple way to offer more employee benefits to your people. This overview shows you how to use the platform to manage your employee benefits all in one place, freeing your time to spend on what really matters, helping your people and your business thrive. Easy platform access. Employees can access the Benni platform on their work or personal devices, such as PCs, tablets, and mobiles. Their login will be their work email address. First-time users create a password. Once logged in, they're greeted by the homepage. From here, they can see the benefits available to select, add family members, declare life events, and view the Unum policies you're paying for. See the benefits available at a glance. To find everything they need to know about the benefits you offer, they just click the My Benefits tab and scroll to My Benefits package. For example, here's information on Unum's life insurance. The platform also makes it easy for staff to update their life insurance beneficiaries. Voluntary benefits. The Available Benefits section shows information about benefits your employees can select and pay for, such as critical illness cover or cycle to work. This explains how the benefit works, links to guides and videos, gives employees the opportunity to change their cover level, and calculates the cost. Pension contributions and holiday buy and sell. To help your employees feel in charge of their financial future, the Benni platform also makes it easy to update their additional voluntary pension contributions and see the approximate impact this will have on their take-home pay. And if you've ever wanted to introduce the popular employee benefit of a holiday buy and sell scheme but are worried about creating an admin headache, the Benni platform offers a hassle-free way to do just that. Confirming selections. As employees make choices, their selections appear in a basket, showing the cost of each benefit and the estimated impact to their monthly pay. Once they've made their selection, they just click Confirm at the bottom of the My Benefits screen. Adding information about other benefits. As the Benni platform is a one-stop shop solution for all your employee benefits, you're free to include details about benefits you offer from other providers. For example, if you offer private medical, employees can visit the Other Benefits tab to find information about it. This lets employees easily view all the benefits available to them. Reducing admin and tracking engagement. The Benni platform not only makes it easier for you to offer a wider choice of benefits, it also reduces the administration involved, freeing your time to spend on what really matters. Take the employer dashboard as an example. This shows you how many people use the platform and the number of selections for each benefit. The platform also generates a monthly payroll deduction report, making it easy to manage deductions for each employee. For a simple, hassle-free way to manage your employee benefits, step into the world of Benni today.